Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SXP coin. In my earlier videos, I've been showing you that the price of SXP was rejected by a very long-term resistance of a descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart, a very huge descending triangle. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you move to the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that recently the price has bounced very well from the support of this triangle, and now it is trying to break out this very long-term resistance of 25.7 cents that had been previously breaking out the resistance here and support here and resistance here as well. And again, it is breaking out a very strong resistance. And this is the second week that the price is still trying to break it out. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link of the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SXP that I shared by the way on 10th of November 2024 with my members, and that was a bullish garlic pattern that SXP formed on a 2 hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. First, it again moved down, re-entered the buying zone. And then we had a very, very nice reversal, and the price then pumped beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 37% pump only on this 2 hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of SXP, and this is the 7 day time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, since after the month of November 2022, by the way, it is moving inside this big descending triangle almost for more than 2 years. It is moving inside this triangle. By the way, we found the support of this triangle before the breakout from the previous falling wedge pattern in the month of December 2022. In fact, here in the month of November 2022. We had several touch points here, then we had a nice bounce and broke out the resistance of edge, but could not break out this long-term downtrend and resistance of this triangle. Then we got another rejection here, several touch points here at the support once again, and then we had another very nice bounce. And recently the price is once again rejected by the resistance of the triangle and bounced very well from the support once again, and now it is trying to break out this very long-term resistance of 25.7 cents. It has been recently breaking out the resistance here, almost as support here, and for a few weeks, it has been working as support here and resistance here. And therefore now, again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And this is the second week that the price and is still trying to break it out. In case of breaking it out, an imminent move can be possible up to the resistance of this triangle. At the same time, we can also hit this long-term resistance of 40 cents as well. It has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here. And by the way, recently it was also breaking as a resistance here as well. Began rejection by this resistance of 40 cents. Now this time the price can hit both resistance levels together almost at the same time. This downtrend and resistance of the triangle and this 40 cents resistance. And in case of breaking out this descending triangle, the technical target for the breakout from this triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $1.68. And if the price and reaches there, then we can also break out this very long-term resistance of $1.30 as well. Has been previously breaking as a support here for several weeks a month. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due, and that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $4.70 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.